Yeah, you're right, it's huge. It's kind of been a long time coming. We've had inclusion in other events, particularly Commonwealth Games, and it's always gone down really well, particularly the tandem sprint. Crowds have loved it, so presumably full crowd is going to be a great experience again, and yeah, getting parasport in the public eye.
I think it's a great step forward for British sport. It's exactly the right thing for us to be doing, and I think we're leading the world in terms of trying to drive parity between Olympic and Paralympic sport.
It's going to be great to have that in London, you know, because it seats sort of 6,000 people, and hugely excited to be able to go back there, you know, hopefully go fast again, you know.